Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the medicine reminder to the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the reminders section and tap on medicine reminders. That's the second option. And here you can turn on the reminder to remind you to take your medicine on time. So tap on it, and then you should set the time of your reminder and select whether it is AM or PM. So that's it for this video, guys. You should watch this ad first and then click on the X button in the upper right corner to skip the video. So that's it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.